Oh, hello, Michael with Hokemas. You caught me restocking my e-cloth rack here. What's e-cloth? It's microfiber cleaning. So the object of microfiber cleaning is to use microfiber to grab and clean the dirt and grease and gunk that's on your hard surfaces in your house by simply using water. So you're going to take the cloth, run it under water, wring it out, and then go clean your hard surface. And then with the window one, for example here, you would take the waffle shape one and you'd use that wet, swirl it around on that glass, get everything off of there, and then you're going to go with the drying cloth here and get things clean. And that's how this works. It works amazing. Well, here I am now, and I show you how to use the e-cloth that I was talking of. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little chapstick here, do a little swirly line there, get that all kind of smeary on there. And we're just simply going to take water, put that on there. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to use, well, not how to use, but what you use when you use paper towels on them. Paper towels don't have enough pores like the e-cloth does. So this is just going to push things around. You know, that's your smear that you're going to be putting on your windows there. Not so nice. So let's just clean this mess up here with an e-cloth. This is the drying cloth. Since we're already wet here, I can just take this and I can clean that right up. And we are nice and clean.